Okay, my fellow YouTubers, this is my fourth video showing the superiority of this machine. This is really a powerful machine. If you notice, what I've done is I've used Phun to clone my machine. Both machines are to the exact same specifications. Both have the same strength of motor. For example, the motor here is at maximum setting of 600 RPM. The strength is 2. Gravity is on, so I have assisted these motors to start by starting them from the top of the cycle. So what I have here is a friction bar that's resting on a plane, and here we see that this bar is very massive compared to this bar. So the machine is working on this bar very easily, yet notice that the motor in this mass, or this mass, is rotating at a slower rate than this mass is rotating at. So because there's very little movement in the bar, the mass actually picks up speed because it tries to work even harder. And notice that it is forcing this supermassive mass to slide. It moves this mass very easily, but notice it runs slower, even though they're on the same settings. I thought you might find that of interest. Let's go in and change the size of this mass. Oops. We'll make it smaller for a moment, and you'll see that the machine will really start working on it, and this mass will slow down some. It slides more, but if I increase it, I can make it really big. So big that it won't hardly even slide, but the machine will pick up speed until indeed it does begin to move, forcing even this super large mass into motion. So here we have a different kind of load than I showed before. This load is like a shock absorber, very stiff to move. But we can see that the machine speeds up to force it into motion. So truly, this is a very powerful energy device. Here we see them operating together side by side. This motor here is rotating faster than this one. And of course, the faster it rotates, the more centrifugal force there is, forcing this bar into motion, even with all of that friction. I thought you might enjoy that. Have fun.